This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to look at one of my favorite trades, TQQQ. This is a leverage ETF for the Nasdaq. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have TQQQ. Now, so far today, this is up here, about 4.5%, while the old Nasdaq is up like 1.37%. So you have a good leverage here, and this is just one of my favorite trades here because it does a lot of big volume. You can get in and out of it here, and it moves. That is going to be the key. All right, let's take a look here on the daily chart. All right, here we have the key is going to be here this 45.73. Okay, you can see where it double topped here, came down, but you're holding this 21-day here really nice, and now the price is above this 8 SMA here. So if you can get above this key 45.73 level here, okay, then what we want to do is our target is going to be 47.14 here. Okay, so that's where we think that it's going to go here. So when you look at your RSI, plenty of room to go here. Your MACD has a little bearish cross, but it looks like the green is trying to curl right on up here. So we got to see. Now on a weekly chart, you can see, okay, when you look at this pattern here on a weekly, you got left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So you got a real nice inverse head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so if you can close above that 47.14, basically, which is right there, then we just keep on taking us up here to the new levels. So you want to come over to this price channel here, which is the top of this candle. Okay, so you're looking at 50.77. Okay, and then what we do is we look here to this candle here. So you're looking at 53.41. And then we look to this candle here. You're looking at 57.56. And then we have 61.55. And then we can come up to here on this price channel here. You're looking at 62.96, which comes right over. Now, if we go to the next level here, we're looking right here at 65.37. And then we can just keep ratcheting it right on up here, 69.72. You have 77.97. And basically, your big retest up here is 87.49 here. So you definitely want to watch here this inverse head and shoulders pattern, your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder. If you can close above here, that is going to be a very, very nice pattern. Because if you look at the top of that is 47, and then you look at the bottom pattern, that's 30, okay? So basically here, you take a 47 minus the 30, you got 17 points, which you would just flop that in reverse, and you got 17 points here from the old 47 level here. Okay, which you can go up. So that's very, very key. Now, let's just look at the downside because you always want to look here in case it sells down. So what you want to look at here is this 8 SMA here. So you look at 43.74, and then you're looking at your 21 here at 42.95. Now, you want to look at the bottom of this candle right here. This is 41.73 here. There's your gap. And then we want to look to the top of this candle right here. That's 40.73. And this bottom of this candle here is 41.73. So there's your gap. And then there's your fill. And then we can come down here to your 100 SMA, 39.63, your 38.87 here, and just take it all the way on down here. Now, you do have a couple of gaps right here. So you look at this, you got 36.63. There's your gap. Look to the top of that candle right there. You got 36.38. So you got a little gap, a little fill. And then we look to the bottom of this here. You got 35.40. There's your gap. And then the top of this candle here is 34.63. Now, usually on these leverage ETFs here, it kind of like gaps and goes here. It's not like a stock where it's very straight up here. But this leverage fund here, I've been trading this one here for years. And it's a very, very profitable a trade. Okay, so bottom line here, watch this 45.73. If you can get above here, then we want to do is we want to look at that 47.14. Okay, so keep your eye here on the weekly chart here, on that nice inverse head and shoulders pattern here. If you can take that and close above that 47.14, you can take this up there pretty much about 17 points higher than that 47.14. All right, that's what I got for you today. Thanks for watching.